just to kind of recap on a couple of those things and takeaways really. So I think key for me is around planning for success, right? So thinking holistically about all those tools that you have to help prepare users and support them through the change. So thinking beyond guided learning itself, not underestimating the degree of change and the impact it can have on people, especially if you're still early in your kind of change cycle in terms of adopting some of these cloud solutions. These changes come thick and fast with cloud tools like this. And also really prepare yourself, get familiar with the changes and impacts, talk to your network about their experiences, make use of LinkedIn. I'll talk about the OGL network in a moment. Give us a call, come and engage with us as well online about your experiences and the road ahead for you in terms of preparing some of these changes. And please don't underestimate the work it's going to take to redevelop your guided learning. If you've got guided learning content in place already, particularly lots of process guides around some of these things, really do plan for that and start thinking about how the time you need to do that work and prepare for it and work with your technical teams and your SMEs to plan that work out and make use of those excellent features in guided learning to help support people through that change as well. And it also expect more change, right? So some of these features are coming in are quite new. Some of them are coming in um, not completely mature states, which means that, and we're seeing this already with one client having already gone live with procurement. Redwood 25B instantly around the corner brought a whole new load of changes. So expect the pace of change and the rework that you'll have to do on a quarter by quarter basis to also be kind of happening at pace as well, and really plan for that. It's not done when it's put in. It's a cloud solution, it doesn't sit still. Quick little plug from me. You might have seen some of it already on the socials, but O5 Live, a really key event that we at Fudgelearn are involved with, along with some of their other partners, is taking place on the 17th of July, 2025, at the Institute of Directors in London. Please, if you can be there, please go ahead and register. Again, we can share the link later, and keep an eye out on the socials. We'll be there. You can come and meet the team and talk to us about some of our experiences. And in fact, we should be talking with one of our customers there about their journey and how they manage these Redwood changes with partners like us and their integrators as well. And then just the last piece here, we can allow a bit of time if people want to ask questions and things and stay on for a moment, then please do. So just to remind people, you can get in touch with us. You can email us, schedule a meeting, find us on socials on LinkedIn as well. And also, again, a quick plug here for the OGL network. If you're on LinkedIn and you haven't joined yet, what are you doing? We've got over 100 members now, and a really key resource for us to engage with you guys out there in the OGL world, whether you're developers, change experts, whatever it might be, uh, and also for you to engage with each other. This is your network, your opportunity to reach out to people, to share experiences and best practice as well. So a plug for that one as well while we're here.